Hello, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, let's start with our introductions. My name is Kamalagiri.
I am Aditya Khajure.
And I'm Jitesh Gosai.
Thank you very much for your introductions. And today our objectives is nuclear power. Today we will discuss about the nuclear power energy. Normally, this nuclear power energy is obtained from the nuclear reaction. So nuclear reactions such as nuclear fission reactions. So in these reactions, normally heavy atoms like radioactive elements such as platinum, uranium, krypton, these types of atoms are used to produce a large amount of nuclear energy. So this nuclear power is exists in the form of nuclear energy. So this nuclear energy is frequently used to generate heat energy and electricity. So we can obtain large amount of electricity from the nuclear fission reaction. So this type of nuclear power energy is very much beneficial for the all human beings. This is because one passes the years, high development of science and technology build of such types of energy, which compensate the alternative source of energy. That's why nuclear power energy is more important for human being or as well as for the different technology uses in industry, right? So let's talk about the global problem of nuclear power. What kinds of problems are appears in the world? Universally, what kinds of problems are appear? Let's talk about this. Aditya, do you know anything about this nuclear power problem?
Yeah, I have got to know that many specialists they argue that nuclear energy is most environmentally friendly sources of energy, and that it's safe and sustainable energy. Yeah,
Yes.
the energy sources that reduces carbon emission. Other argue, while other have new argues. Like Jitesh, do you know anything?
Yeah, I do have one in my particular in mind. Nuclear power is a great threat to the people, to the environment. As we have witnessed many the tragic disaster like Chernobyl disaster in 1986 and the Fukushima nuclear disaster in 2011. Isn't that so?
Yeah, nuclear power has both positive and negative impact for the environment as well as the human being, people, right? So from one side, if we observe it from the one side, we can get lots of advantage from by using this nuclear power. At the same times, when we turn to another side, we will obtain different disadvantage by using this nuclear power plant, nuclear power energy, right? I think. So some background about the nuclear power. Let's talk about its background, right? So in this recent century, nuclear power energy is considered as a very popular source of energy. That's why it is more important for the recent trend. So regarding to the 2012 bar data, which is published by NEI. So in 2012, this type of nuclear power plants provide 10.9% of old electricity production, and similarly at the 2015, according to the 2015 data, 13 countries are participate to use nuclear energy to support at least one-fourth of total energy used in the universe. That's why slowly and gradually this nuclear power energy compensate the other source of energy. That is the more prominent thing for every peoples and those peoples who use this type of energy. So let's observe the given bar data, right? So what comes in your mind after observing this data as it is?
Well, after looking at this bar graph, I knew that US is the highest in nuclear power producing, while Spain is in the lowest, and the other countries are just in middle. And I'm glad to see France is also on the second, and UK on the second last.
Yeah, yeah. And you tell me about